Hi, in this video we are going to explain the high-level structure of the missions in Drone Engage. First, let's see the objective behind the new design of this Drone Engage mission plan. We need to do two things. We need to keep autopilot mission working the same as always, with full capabilities without any interference. And then we need to be able to add modules to Drone Engage. These modules, the communicator module, for example, that handles communication with the internet server, the telemetry, another features like swarm capabilities. If we are adding, for example, SDR, imagine someone who is lost in a forest, for example, and you are looking for his mobile signal, and you want to send a signal back to when you find him so that you can save him. So we need to be able to add extra modules, and these modules we need to integrate it into our mission plan. So this is the main objective of the Drone Engage mission plan. That's why it is different than the normal autopilot mission. Also, there is another important feature, which is we need Drone Engage commands linked to these mission items. So we need to say that when we reach mission number 2, we need to execute, enable the telemetry, or disable the telemetry, or enable swarm leader, for example, or start to follow another drone. So we need to link them. So we need a way to create events between them. And then Drone Engage can be triggered by external events. I mean by external events, I mean other drones, or ground control station can trigger an event, and this event will start to, each drone will take an action based on this event. Or a drone can send an activation, can trigger an event, or send an activation to activate remotely a mission item on another drone so that they can operate in a synchronized or cooperated way. Different modules also can fire across units and across the whole system. What do I mean by that? Is that we have, as I said, module like, for example, SDR module, like speaker module, for example, like sonar module, whatever. You can say camera module, think about any module. So you need to be able to tell the module, you can even create your own module, and you need to say that this module does the following functions, 1, 2, 3, and these functions, whenever I finish this function, I can be able to trigger an event so that other modules in the systems are aware of this event, other modules of the unit, of the drone itself, or of the Drone Engage unit, which is not normally, not necessarily a drone. I mean, can be any type of robot or unit. And this event can even send externally to other drones in the system or other units in the system. So to say it in one line, the Drone Engage mission enables drones to trigger events in other drones, and each event can be received by different parts of Drone Engage modules and can be executed by different parts based on the required action. Let's see the overall simple structure of the system. This is the normal Mavlink waypoints plan. and it is stored in the Mavlink module, and it's stored also in the ArduPilot flight controller board. It contains, here in our example, it contains only 4 main waypoints, 1, 2, 3, 4. The wait event is a simple command. I use the servo channel. I can use arbitrary 2 channels, one for sending event and one for receiving event. What I mean is that when I execute waypoint 1, I go to waypoint 2 automatically, then I switch the set servo to set, here I use by default set servo 15, channel 15. So I set it to a value. If it is not 0, then I'm waiting for this event that is stored in this, that is stored as a value of servo 15. And here I insert a delay command so that the drone is waiting. Once I received externally this event, the Mavlink module of drone engage Mavlink module will execute a set current mission to this waypoint 3 so that the drone will proceed. This is the old feature. This old feature, actually, this is 1 year ago. This is 1 year old, I mean, and there is a video that shows how it works, that was published more than a year ago. The new thing is that here I can attach other commands. This is what I was talking about, other modules here. I can attach other commands. These commands is linked to the waypoint, and these commands actually is stored in the drone engage communicator module, and there is an event. Whenever I reach a step, there is an event that's sent, and based on it, these commands are executed. These commands can be any drone engage command. That's why it can communicate with any drone engage module. This is how I link between the Mavlink missions or the ArduPilot missions and the drone engage missions, which is all of this. This is drone engage mission. Part of it is ArduPilot mission, and part of it is modules specific drone engage missions. Drone engage multiple unit mission. This is how missions are stored in different drones, and this is how these drones communicate with each other. Here we can see drone 1 has a sequence of waypoints, and there is a wait event here, and drone 2 has a sequence of waypoint, but it fires an event here after waypoint 2, and this event is received by drone 1. Actually, it is received by all drones, but drone 1 has specific actions. It executes it and it proceeds to waypoint 3, then 4. Drone engage file format is simple. It's just a JSON file with file type, unit, home location, version, geofences, because you can store the geofences in this file. This is not the ArduPilot geofences. This geofences is handled by drone engage logic, not by ArduPilot logic. So this is different than the geofences that are stored in the ArduPilot. And these are the missions. The missions are actually waypoint missions and the module missions. So these are only waypoints, and these are actions like start telemetry, close telemetry, open SDR, close SDR, open speaker, close speaker, etc.